Hello and welcome to the introduction to simple file-based commands for issuing commands to red board clients. So we are now going to learn two things. First, we are going to create a graphical user interface for our system where we can enter commands into a graphical user interface. And secondly, we are going to come up with a system whereby we can save commands on the server and then let the client retrieve the command for execution. And this is a simple architecture, and you can see the center is a web server, and we have two new scripts which we are going to create. One script is the control server PHP. This one will display the graphical user interface when you open a browser, for example a Chrome browser, and access this PHP script, control server. It will return a nice user interface. And then in the user interface, the user will be able to click on commands, and then the command can be saved. The user will be able to enter the command and then click execute, and that command will be saved in the file. So the command will be entered in the web browser, and then once you click execute, a file will be created and the command will be saved in the file. And then every 2 seconds, the client will call this script. The client will call this script get server commands from the web server, and then this script will then open this file, read the contents of it, and then fetch the command back, and then it will destroy the file, delete the file. The client will then execute the command. So this is how the simple file-based command architecture works. So in the next video, we are going to have a practical walkthrough where we will implement this new system. Note that this system is a simple system and is good for proving as a proof of concept of how we can use communication between the command and control server and the client using a file. And in later lectures, I will show you how to use a database instead of a file. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.